In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail profile picture. If you want to take down the photo currently showing on your Gmail or Google account, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Just keep in mind that your Gmail profile picture is usually managed through your overall Google account settings, so that's where we'll begin. First, go to your Google account settings. This is the main area where Google lets you manage your personal details, privacy options, and account appearance. Once you're there, you'll be able to access the section that controls your profile photo. Next, look to the left-hand column and click on Personal Info. This section contains the basic details tied to your Google account, including your name, contact information, and profile image. If you're using a smaller screen or a mobile browser, this menu may appear slightly differently, but the option will still be labeled Personal Info. After that, click on Profile Picture. This opens the profile photo settings for your account. Since this image can appear across Gmail and other Google services, this is the specific place where you can change it, update it, or remove it completely. Once you're on the profile picture screen, click on the three dots in the top right corner. This menu contains extra actions related to your current photo. If you don't notice it right away, take a moment to check the upper right area of the image settings panel. From that menu, click on Remove Profile Picture. This tells Google that you no longer want the current image attached to your account. At this point, a confirmation prompt may appear to make sure you actually want to remove it. Finally, click on Remove to confirm. After you do that, your Gmail profile picture will be removed and your account will go back to the default profile icon. That's all it takes. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page or waiting a little while, since updates can sometimes take a short time to appear across all Google services. Also remember that removing the picture from your Google account affects how your profile appears in places like Gmail, as well as other connected Google products. So to recap, you go to your Google account settings, open Personal Info, select Profile Picture, open the three-dot menu, choose Remove Profile Picture, and then confirm by clicking Remove. And that's how to remove your Gmail profile picture quickly and easily.